Hi everyone, it's Karen from Be Green, and today I wanted to show you our dry shampoo. This is another one of our really popular products, and it's become more and more popular as people have realized that a lot of the conventional dry shampoos out there have so many toxic ingredients in them, especially benzene, which has been known to cause cancer. So ours is totally clean. It doesn't have anything like that in it. It is some powders that will absorb the oil and help refresh your hair without damaging it, without leaving buildup in it. It's just going to remove the oil. It's really great for people who have oily roots but may have dry ends, or if you want to try to go an extra day between shampooing, it's really helpful for that too. So I want to show you what the powder looks like. So I went ahead and I poured some into the little bamboo bowl that we have. You would need nowhere near this much. You just need a tiny bit each time, but I wanted you to be able to see what it is. It's white powders, clay is in here, there's arrowroot in here, and some botanicals like green tea, and we have papaya in here. Excellent for refreshing your hair. So I also have a clean makeup brush here. I'm just going to dab it in. You can see the product on there. I'm gonna get rid of most of the excess. And then for me, what I like to do is I dab on the roots. So I'm just gonna do that wherever I feel like there's oil. I'm gonna tap again. A lot of times like after a workout, I'm a little bit sweaty in the temple area, so I'll put some there. I'll tap again. Get the other side. It's fine if you get it on your skin. It's totally safe. No issues with that. So you just put it wherever you feel like you need it. The key is you don't want to use too much, because if you use too much, it's just gonna maybe you're gonna have some excess on your scalp, or you're gonna see it. And if that's the case, no problem. Just grab your blow dryer and go ahead and blow out the excess. A lot of customers like to do that because if you have really greasy hair, it's, you're going to use more, of course. The other thing you can do is I always recommend brushing your hair out after you apply it. It just distributes it through the scalp, and then you're good to go. It's like my hair wasn't very oily today, although I only wash it once a week, so I do use this once or twice a week, but and it does absorb the oils. But when your hair is really oily, it does help to give it a little more volume and a little bit more lift. The product is one of our best sellers, and so much so that we also sell it now in a pouch. So if you don't want the bottle, it's an aluminum bottle, it's a metal cap. If you don't want it's a powder shaker. If you don't want this, you can use it right out of the pouch. You just dip your brush right into the pouch. Or you can refill this bottle with the pouch. To do that, you pop the cover off. You have to keep going around and around, and eventually the cap will pop off. And if it doesn't pop off that easily, so sometimes they're a little bit finicky, I like to use one of those rubber discs that you use for removing jar lids, and you just place that on the top, and then you just push, and it should pop right off. If you have any questions about the dry shampoo or about the refill, please feel free to contact me, Karen at begreenbathandbody.com. Have a wonderful day.